Hello friends, let us see the paper pattern, structure of activity sheet of science 1 and 2. So, it will be of 40 marks for science 1 and 40 marks for science 2, as you can see here. Time period of 2 hours will be given for each paper. Question number 1A will be 5 marks. We will have 5 questions, MCQ based on textbook only. 5 questions of 1 mark each in question 1B, and which will carry 5 marks again. Question 2A will be give reasons. You have to attempt any 2 out of the given 3 questions and total 4 marks. Question 2B is attempt any 3 out of 2 marks each out of 5 questions and 6 marks for total. Question number 3 is 3 marks each, 5 questions you have to attempt out of 8 questions. Question 4 will be one question to be attempted out of 2 questions, 5 marks each. So, what type of questions are expected? So, first thing is question 1A, multiple choice questions based on textbook only are expected. Question 1B will be find the odd man out, correlate, match the columns, true or false, give names of molecular formula and such type of questions. Question 1B, no fill in the blanks in question 1B. And question 2A, give reasons. Question 2B, solve numerical problems, laws, definitions, short notes. These type of questions are expected. If you read the textbook properly, you will be able to answer each of these type. Give reasons, complete the flow chart, give examples. Question 3 will be explanation, remedies, diagram, complete the diagram, complete the table. With the help of some examples, you have to explain particular sentence, complete the diagram, then write the explanation, laws, theories and such type of questions. Question 4 will be one question to be attempted out of 5. Draw figure and explain. Given an incorrect diagram, you have to correct it and explain. Give the detailed explanation of a particular property. So, like these hot questions will be there. That will be higher order thinking skill type of questions. So, this is the chapter wise weightage. Gravitation, if you see, 3 marks out of 5 for option. Then periodic classification of element, 4 marks compulsory. Then chemical reaction, 4 marks. Electric current, 5 marks. Heat, 3 marks. Refraction of light, lenses, 5 and 4 respectively. Metallurgy, 4. Carbon compound, 5. Space mission, 3. Now, if you see the part 2, heredity and evolution, 3 marks. Life processes, 1, 4 marks. Part 2, 5 marks. Environmental management, 5 marks. Towards green energy, 4 marks. Animal classification, 4 marks. Introduction to microbiology, again 4. Cell biology, 4. Social health, 4. Disaster management, 3. Total 40 marks. Okay, and then there will be 20 marks for the practicals and internal assessment that will be told to you in your school.